In the cozy town of Maplewood, two best friends, Vincent and Gillian, were known for their endless curiosity. Vincent had messy brown hair, glasses that always slid down his nose, and a knack for asking questions that made people think twice. Gillian, with her bright red hair tied in a ponytail, loved building, drawing, and figuring out how things worked. One sunny Saturday, the friends were exploring Vincent's backyard when they stumbled upon something extraordinary, a giant old wooden chest, half buried under ivy. "Wow!" Vincent exclaimed. "I wonder what's inside." Gillian tugged at the rusty lock. "It's stuck, but I bet we can figure it out." They pushed, pulled, and twisted, but the lock wouldn't budge. Said Vincent, adjusting his glasses. "Maybe it's a problem to solve, not just a chest to open." On the chest lid, they noticed a carved riddle. "I have keys, but no doors. I have space, but no floors. What am I?" Vincent furrowed his brow. "A riddle. We need to solve it before the chest will open." Gillian tapped her pencil against her chin. "Let's think. Keys, but no doors. A keyboard. And space. Yes, the space bar." Vincent's eyes widened. "That makes sense. But how do we use that with the lock?" They looked closer and found three small buttons beside the lock, each with symbols: a piano key, a moon, and a star. "We need to press them in the right order," Gillian said. "Let's test the keyboard idea." Vincent pressed the piano key. Nothing happened. Gillian pressed the star. Still nothing. "Maybe we're missing something," Vincent said. "Sometimes you have to step back to see the whole picture." They sat on the grass, brainstorming. Vincent drew diagrams. Gillian sketched ideas. They tried different combinations, read the riddle aloud, and even imagined themselves as giant keys fitting the lock. After what felt like hours, Vincent clapped his hands. "I got it. The answer to the riddle is keyboard, so maybe the symbols represent a sequence. Piano key, star, moon, like typing letters, K-E-Y." Gillian grinned and pressed the buttons in that order. Click! The lock clicked open. Inside the chest, they found a collection of colorful puzzle pieces, a journal filled with brain teasers, and a note that read, "To those who solve problems with patience, creativity, and teamwork, may these puzzles guide you to new adventures." Vincent picked up a puzzle piece. "This is perfect. We can practice problem solving every weekend." Gillian nodded. "And each puzzle teaches us something different: logic, creativity, teamwork." They spent the rest of the day assembling the first puzzle, laughing when pieces didn't fit, and cheering when a section clicked perfectly. By the end of the weekend, Vincent and Gillian realized three important things. 1. Break big problems into smaller steps. The chest seemed impossible at first, but solving the riddle step by step made it manageable. 2. Teamwork helps solve challenges faster. Vincent's ideas and Gillian's hands-on thinking complemented each other perfectly. 3. Mistakes are part of the process. Failing didn't mean giving up. Each attempt brought them closer to the solution. As the sun set over Maplewood, Vincent and Gillian looked at their new puzzle collection with excitement. "Tomorrow," Vincent said, "we'll tackle a puzzle even bigger than this chest." Gillian grinned. "With teamwork and thinking creatively, we can solve anything." Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.